Welcome to the 11th session of module issue of shares and debentures from the subject corporate accounting 1. In the previous session, we have discussed simple problem from the question paper on issue of shares and debentures. In this particular session, we are going to discuss on introduction to debentures, meaning of debentures, types of debentures, and also difference between shares and debentures. The main learning objective of this particular session is to understand the concept of debenture. Till now, we have understood the concept of shares, share capital, and other things. But in this particular session, we are going to understand the important concept of debentures and then meaning and types of debentures and also the differences existing between shares and debentures. To start with the introduction to debentures, in addition to raising capital by the issue of shares, a company may resort to capital by borrowings. As we know, whenever company requires a capital, that capital company borrows by issue of different types of shares. Company can also borrow capital in the form of loans or borrowings. Such borrowings can be made by issue of a certificate that is called debenture. Borrowings may be in the form of both short term and long term borrowings. If company wants to borrow for long term, debentures is one of the most important method adopted by the companies. Debentures are part of loan capital and the company is liable to pay interest thereon whether it earns profit or not. This is kind of loan which company is going to borrow by issuing debenture certificates to the public. So public is going to lend loan to company and company is liable to pay interest to them. Such kind of loan is called as a debenture. Meaning of debenture. A debenture is an acknowledgement of a debt or loan raised by the company from public. Whenever company borrows a loan from the public, the company is supposed to pay an acknowledgement. Company is supposed to give an acknowledgement to the lenders. Such acknowledgement is called as debenture or debenture certificate. Debentures are written instruments of debt. They are the written instruments of debt. It is not oral. Next, companies issue these debentures certificates under common seal of the company. Companies are going to issue these debenture certificates under its common seal. They are similar to a loan certificate. They are just similar to a loan certificate. Debentures are issued to the public as a contract of repayment of money borrowed from them. In this particular debenture certificate, company is going to promise the repayment of this loan after certain period of years. Company is liable to pay interest on these. This is a kind of loan which company is borrowing from public and company is expected to pay interest on these to the lenders of this loan. Now, moving to the next important topic, that is types of debentures. Debentures are classified into different categories. Number one is secured debentures. These are the debentures that are secured against an asset or assets of the company. Whenever company borrows a debenture loan to the debenture holders, to the people to uh, whom they whom who lend loan to the company, to them company is expected to give some security in the form of an asset or assets. Such kind of debentures are called as secured debentures. Unsecured debentures are those debentures to whom company is not expected to give any security, or debenture holders will not get any security on the amount of loan lent by them to the company. Such securities or such debentures are called as unsecured debentures. Redeemable debentures. These are the debentures the amount of which will be returned by the company after certain years of time before the company liquidates. Whereas irredeemable debentures are those debentures, the amount of these debentures will be repaid by the company only after the liquidation of company. That means debenture holders who lend loan to company can expect getting back this loan amount only at the time of liquidation of company. Next, fully convertible debentures. These debentures can be converted into shares. These debentures can be converted into shares after certain years of time. They are called as fully convertible debentures. Partly convertible debentures. These debentures here, the holders of these such debentures are given the option to partially convert their debentures to shares if he opts for the conversion. In case if a debenture holder opts for the conversion, partly those debentures can be converted into shares. They are called as partly convertible debentures. Next, non-convertible debentures. As the name suggests, such debentures do not have an option to be converted to shares. That means these debentures remain as debentures only. At no point of time we can convert them into shares. They are called as non-convertible debentures. Next and most important concept is differences between shares and debentures. Shares are the certificates, and also debentures are also certificates issued by the company in order to borrow money from public, but whereas shares are certificates issued by the company to the public in order to borrow the capital, whereas debentures are certificates issued by the company to the public in order to borrow loan. Let us look at the differences existing between these two debentures and shares certificates. Number one is the shares provide the owner's owned funds to the company. In case if company issues share certificates, company is going to get own funds. But debentures provide the borrowed funds to the company. Company is going to get a loan, borrowed money from the debenture holders, whereas if company issues shares, company is going to get own fund. Next, second difference is shares represent the capital of the company. Whatever money borrowed by the company by issue of shares, that money is called as capital in the company, whereas money borrowed by the company by issue of debentures represent the debt of the company. Next, third one is holders of the shares are owners of the company. The people who are having the share certificates or who are investing in these shares are known as owners of the company, whereas holders of the debentures are creditors to the company. Next, shareholders get the dividend. The people who invest money in the shares will be receiving dividend from the company, whereas the people who lend loan to the company through debentures will receive interest. Dividend can be paid to the shareholders only out of profits, whereas interest can be paid to the debenture holders even if there is no profit. The holders of shares having voting rights. That means shareholders who are investing money in the company's capital will have voting rights in the company, whereas the debenture holders who lend loan to company will not have any voting rights. Shares can never be converted into debentures. That means these shares by issue of which company borrows capital can never be converted into debentures, whereas debentures can be converted into shares. These are the very important differences existing between shares and debentures. Thank you.